Welcome back. Thanks for joining us for our final week as we've discussed the Mainspring Pulse. This week, we're going to be digging into executive questions. So if you've watched the earlier videos, you've seen that our dashboards, the Mainspring Pulse, is designed for action, which it means that it's meant to enable those that are going to take action to make the decisions. Because of that, it is operator centric. The dashboards are meant to give the information to those operators so that they can take the next appropriate steps. So while we've looked at some examples in the past that have been meant for those, we're going to take a little bit of a different approach today. We're going to step into the corner office and we're going to be talking through some of the questions that I hear from C-suite folks about the Mainspring Pulse. So the first question that I get, probably the most common, is it's a lot of good information, Matt. My team's going to see a lot of value. Where's the key metrics? Like which ones I care about the most? And it's a great question. We answer it two different ways. First is the executive pulse. The executive pulse, which is at the top dashboard, is meant to answer to provide those key metrics all in one place. There's a handful of metrics that matter the most: gross margin, cash position, open warranty, perhaps, and where we at sales starts, closings. Those are on a single dashboard that's viewed whenever you enter the dashboard. You can click on it, but we also can send that to you every morning, 5:30 in the morning. You can get your executive pulse, the newspaper for the day, and be able to, with your cup of coffee, read through those key metrics in one place. The second solution that we offer is our platform allows you to mark favorite on any of the specific dashboards that you want. So you can filter and only see those favorites. And instead of seeing all of them, you can just see the 4 that you care about the most. Second question is, sounds great. How quickly can we be up and running on the system? Well, as I mentioned in the first week, I think I mentioned first week, we'll have you up and running by Friday. The system is designed to have a very low learning curve. You don't need to learn any new systems. They're designed so that when you click a dashboard, it actually makes sense. It's intuitive design. There's not a long 60-page user manual and weeks of reading and understanding how it works. So it's very intuitive, and it's meant to, you open it, you understand what you're looking at, you understand the decision that you can make. Now, another question that we may get from time to time is, looks great, but it won't work for the way we do business. We do it differently, and I believe you, and I agree with you, and in many ways that it is different. You are special. As I also mentioned the first week, we have a solution for this, which we've taken those operational differences and tactical differences of how different companies may use mark systems, and we've created settings for those. And so that we're able to, part of our implementation processing includes a meeting that takes 45 minutes or so, where I ask you specific questions about how you do business, and then we change the settings to adapt to the way that you operate, so that is built and it's tailored for you using those settings. All right, one last question that we get. It's, Matt, looks great. Appreciate that we can be up and running. However, our data just isn't good enough to be able to put dashboards on it. Let us clean it up, and then we'll come back in a few months and get squared away. Okay, well, spoiler alert, you're also correct here. There is no builder that has perfect data. I haven't seen it yet. So it is a necessity that the data is corrected so that the dashboards are increasingly more accurate and meaningful for you. To help you and to come alongside of you and realizing that this is the case, we've created some dashboards within the system that are meant to be monitoring your data, the quality of your data. It's kind of like a wearable for your data. You're able to see where those weak spots are and have specific answers about where we should go to fix it so that our dashboards are. So in essence, it's the dashboard itself. The Pulse can create that punch list for you to make sure that your data is better, is more accurate on a daily basis, and so that it's constantly more accurate and more meaningful for you. So in closing, I really do appreciate the time. I know you put some minutes into watching these videos over the last several weeks, so thank you. I've had some follow-ups and engagements with several of you, so thanks for the discussions. As we close off, if you would like to see more or understand more, reach out to me to schedule a demo. Either DM me on LinkedIn or You can go to our website. There's a place to request a demo on our website, or you can email me. And I'd love to be able to do a more of a specific walkthrough for you, let you take a look at there's quite a few other dashboards available so you can look at how those work. And we can begin helping you answer the questions that you need so that you can take action for your company. So thank you very much. I look forward to speaking with you. Take care.